18 total winners for this round. Very good. I said, I wanted to say nude, I said good. Then I remember I have to say good, because that's the right word. No, it's fine. Let's believe we need our next multiplier. Or, 3 or 18. That works as well. Let's new flying round. 3 flying numbers, 5, 6, 10. And it's going to be 10. 10. And it's multiplied. There it is, 25x on the 10. 14 total winners. Congrats to all of you. Topping goes for Mary. 248 years and 22 cents. Enjoy that? Oh yeah. 25x for the 10. That's a good one. A good one. But new round is already starting. You're placing your bets. The dice are at the top of the lightning. Now what? Let's say 4 lightning numbers. 4, 7, 11, 17. I'm doing the dice at 16. How many 16s can we get this session? It's incredible. Congrats to all the 22 winners. Very nice. And you know what to do. Well, actually, yeah. You can always use autoplay. We have autoplay for this game as well. If you kind of need to run somewhere, do something else, or just use it. Check it out. I believe it goes up to 100 speed as well. Could be fun. First next lightning round. 3 lightning numbers. 3, 11, 12. And the winning total is going to be 10. If it's not 16, it is a 10. Interesting. We are swimming in 10s and 16s right now. Congrats to all 17 winners. So we look back at the last 8 drops. 10, 6, 10, 10, 11, 16, 12, 16. Yeah, quite a bit of 10s and 16s there. There we go. Of course, that is for your bets. Waiting for that lightning round to hit in. There it is. You're gonna have 3 lightning numbers. 3, 9, 10. There you have it. Congrats to all the 19 winners. It's always, quite exciting when the first dice comes out 1, but it's